Dabu Ratnani, Dabu's calendar has been an annual event in my life. I think from the time I've started acting, Dabu has been very kind.
There's no one like you. Can you see it through?
The day I don't shoot the calendar for Dabu, I think it's time to pack up and go back home. That year will be a sign, okay, there are too many newcomers, Bipasha, it's time to move on. I don't feel chilled out. Dabu makes me feel special by calling me every year and featuring me every year on his calendar. Dabu's calendars are very much sought after because every year and Dabu Ratnani is synonymous. There's nobody in the world who's not heard of him. It's always a privilege to be Ratnani. The best thing about Dabu is his temperament. There cannot be any photographer in the world who can match his temperament because he's the nicest human being ever. And I guess that's why it feels special to be on this calendar year after year. Best.